Hey there, what's up? My name is Nay and welcome to Nay TV. So today I'm gonna show you a quick tutorial on how to use the motion tracking in FILMORA 10. This is a new feature they added which is very useful when editing videos. So let's start. So I'm gonna grab this clip that I've downloaded online and trim it to 10 seconds duration and move this in the beginning. Double click on it and check on motion tracking, and this square thing will pop up, and we will choose an object so that this will be the one it will track. So hit start tracking and there it goes, and that's easy. It's not yet done, so hit OK and choose a title you'll use for the project. In this case I'll use this callout 1, and we'll trim it same duration as our video clip with the SUV. Double click on it and adjust the scale and the position using X and Y, and about there. Move it a bit here. Okay, this looks good. Okay, and now hit OK, and then we'll go back to our original clip. Double click on it and we will choose call out 1. Hit OK and then play. There goes our motion tracking working. So you know guys, it's really that easy, and we can even change the text. So we'll put now, and here put subscribe. Yeah, let's check this out. Play it from the beginning and there you go. Subscribe now. You know, there's a lot of things you can do with this one. You can even let's see. You can even put this one. Put it there. You can put Superman in it, and you know, you can trim the duration same as with your original clip. We'll just hide that one first and adjust the scale so that you'll have Superman following you while you are traveling on a highway. How cool is that? Yeah, that's cool. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this very quick tutorial on how to use the motion tracking in FILMORA 10. Before you go, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you next time.